Hello, I'm John Frisbee of youthtutors.com. I'm going to be doing simultaneous equations, the elimination method, for the solutions video for your practice questions from the website. First question is 3x plus 2y equals 14, that's equation 1. Equation 2 is 2x plus y equals 8. Simultaneous equations are two equations for which we need a common solution. In other words, the value of x and the value of y must work for both equations. And the way we're going to do this today is we're going to multiply equation 2 by 2 so that we end up with a 2y here instead of y. So that will give us 4x plus 2y equals 16. Now if I rewrite equation 1 above it, 3x plus 2y equals 14, you can see that if I subtract this equation from that one, I'll eliminate the y's, hence the elimination method, and we'll end up with minus x plus 0y equals minus 2, minus x equals minus 2, therefore x equals 2. If x equals 2, then we would get 2 times x is 2, 4, plus y equals 8, therefore y must equal 4. And we can check that by going into equation 1, so if 3x is 6, 2y would be 2 times 4 is 8, and that would equal 14. So this method, this works. X equals 2 and y equals 4. Let's have a look at a second example. Hopefully you got that one right, but if not, you can look at the method again. Question 2. How can we get these two to eliminate? It's a little bit trickier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 3, that will give me 12x, and I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 4, that will also give me 12x, and I'll eliminate the x's. So equation 1 times 3 will give us 12x plus 6y equals 42. Equation 2 times 4 will give us 12x minus 20y equals minus 88. I want to subtract this equation from that equation, so we'll get 0x plus 26y, because 6y minus 20y will give us another plus 20y, so it'll be plus 26y. 42 minus 88 will be 42 plus 88, which is 130. 26y equals 130. Y equals 130 over 26 equals 5. Now if I substitute that back into equation 2, I will get 3x minus 25 equals minus 22. So that looks like that x therefore would equal 1, because 3 minus 25 is minus 22. So x would equal 1. Put both of those into equation 1 and we'll get 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 times 5 is 10 equals 14. And these two, y equals 5 and x equals 1, are the correct solutions for question 2. A bit harder, that one, because of the numbers involved in having to multiply both equations by a different number. And lastly, hoping you're still going strong, equation 1 here, 5x minus 2y equals 11, equation 2, 2x plus 2y equals 10. I've deliberately put a slightly easier one to finish because that one was a bit tougher, the last one. And you can probably see if we just add these two equations, it will eliminate y. So if I just add equation 1 and equation 2, we'll get 7x plus 0y equals 21. X is 3 because 7x is 21. Put that into equation 1 and we get 15 minus 2y equals 11, and therefore y equals 2. Those two would be the correct solutions. Just check it though into equation 2. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 2 is 4, add them, equals 10. So these are the three solutions for your practice questions on simultaneous equations, the elimination method. The beauty of this is that you can now go back, reprint the practice questions onto a blank sheet, try them again once you've really followed this solutions video through, and if you make an error, you can find the answer here. So in the end, you should be able to do this type of simultaneous equation confidently. See you in the next video. Bye now.